Do you want to own a cleaning business or run a cleaning business? I'm pretty sure all of us, when we started off in our business journey, that we all had wonderful aspirations of owning a business, but somewhere along the lines we can get stuck into the fact of we are actually end up running a cleaning business. And that's often because the road or the path from hell to paradise is often peppered with little pebbles and stones and boulders. Sometimes they're shiny gems and jewels that end up making us move off that path. And before you know it, we can be looking back and go, we've really lost our way as a business because we no longer know where we're going. And that really makes it hard to get your vision and your mission all lined up. It gets hard to create a bit of culture inside your business, because not only do your clients not really know what you stand for, but your employees are in the same boat as well. So to share my own journey with you, I was actually quite proud. I'm still to this day quite proud that in both my businesses from day dot, I had very clear vision on what that business looked like in a box. And when I was involved in my cleaning business, it was very much I wanted a business that solely focused on commercial office space. It needed to be Monday to Friday, and we were only going to deliver the services between 4 p.m. and 11 p.m. at night. And we're only going to take on customers who valued cleaning services. Now, that's a very, very specific niche, right? The cleaning industry is massive, but being very, very detailed in that description meant that it was a way where, in the words of Kenny Rogers, the gambler, we knew when to fold them, we knew when to hold them, we knew when to run away, and just say to clients, look, you're not our target market. It was really easy to do. We could work out the clients that all of a sudden we went, right, we are all in. We are going to do everything possible to get this client across the line and make them one of our customers. Whether we'll win their proposal this year or next year or the year after. Sometimes it could take 3 or 4 years for us to get that client on board, but they were our target client and we'd identify they were. On the flip side of that, we also had clients that just weren't. And so those leads, I should say, that weren't. And those people, we would just gracefully say, look, thank you very much for your inquiry. We don't have a cleaner in your area. We don't actually provide those kind of services. We don't deliver services in those kind of windows of time. So it's really clear, if you want to grow the business of your dreams, again, global domination, could be lifestyle, could be huge wealth, whatever it might be, you need to be very, very clear on that path and who your perfect customer is, because it gets easier and easier to sell to them if it's very, very clear. Now, I'd love to know, I'd love to speak to businesses, especially I love hearing when they've got a little niche that they've really locked down on. So if you do have a niche or a target customer that you are either absolutely killing it with or looking to target, I'd love to hear your comments down below this video.